Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the signal path and removing obvious noise sources. First, set input gain low and choose a shielded cable, 1/4 or XLR, then route it away from power lines. Once done, connect ground and check that devices share a common ground to prevent hum. Make sure output levels are moderate. You want headroom to adjust later. This avoids immediate clipping and explains why we start conservative. Restoring margin is easier than fixing distorted audio. You now route and tune the chain to control clipping and noise. Begin at the source and work forward. Preamp, equalizer, then limiter, avoid extra processing that adds gain. Once connected, raise gain in small 2-3 dB increments while watching peaks, and keep average levels about 6 to 12 dB below 0 dBFS so there's headroom. Make sure to apply a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble, and use narrow EQ cuts to reduce harsh resonances without. You finish by verifying performance under real conditions and solving remaining issues. Run a program-level test and listen closely for distortion, clipping, or added noise. Make small adjustments to gain and EQ while testing. If noise or clipping persists, isolate components by swapping cables and disabling channels to find the culprit. As a troubleshooting tip, if you still hear clipping, immediately lower input gain, add a limiter, and restore at least 6 dB of headroom. This both stops damage and reveals whether processing introduced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.